Hello and welcome to Project Omega. So, right now you're probably saying to yourself, well, what is Project Omega? So let's dive right into that. Project Omega is a classified development project that is going to be built and run using Amazon Web Services. At this time, we only know the infrastructure requirements of Project Omega. No specific information on what it is or what it does has been disclosed. Everything is on a need to know basis, and right now, there are just some things that we don't need to know. But we have a job to do. As the AWS architects, we have been tasked with creating the basic infrastructure of Project Omega so that the development team can start working on the guts of the project. So, what is going to be required for Project Omega? Well, we've been given very little information about Project Omega. However, we have been told in general terms what is needed. One, an AWS account. Two, user accounts for the development team with access to core AWS services. Three, proper traffic routing into and out of AWS Virtual Private Cloud. Four, a location for bulk storage of files. Five, servers to host and run Project Omega. Six, a database to store and catalog data. Seven, a way to send notifications, email, or text messages to Project Omega's team members based on events that may occur with Project Omega's infrastructure. 8. A way to internally monitor parts of Project Omega's infrastructure. 9. Automate the process of distributing incoming external user traffic evenly across Project Omega's AWS resources. 10. Automate the process of scaling up or scaling down AWS resources based on traffic demand. 11. Set up and configure a web domain that points to Project Omega's infrastructure. And 12. Test the possibility of using serverless technology for Project Omega. So, given all that, there's still one big central problem. We don't know enough about AWS to accomplish these tasks. However, lucky for us, the people behind Project Omega have left us with a guide. This guide is a new interactive format that will provide a more involved learning experience. Following the guide will teach us the essentials needed to use AWS and set up the basic infrastructure for Project Omega. All right, so let's get started.